Hello and welcome to a new video. This will be my last video on this series where I solve the curse of the wolves. Let's just do a quick run through of what we've done so far before I start the video. This is the puzzle right here. It is an escape puzzle. We already done the first step in the back of the box here. Read the story. The story, if you want to hear it, is on my first video, the prologue. We've already done step 2 of the puzzle, which is assemble the puzzle and reveal the riddles. And this video will focus on steps 3 and 4. Solve the riddles, piece together your escape. But before I get started, let me show you the puzzle already completed, right? As you can see, there are numbers in the borders. There are also these eyes here, here, and here. There are dots right here and here as well, and also here. There is a cross there and also there. There's some symbols in the tree trunks. It appears to be numbers right there and here as well, and also in this one. And those are just some of the symbols. So let's solve this thing. So for the sake of this video, because I want it to be used as a guide, I'm going to show you the answers. So yeah, let's do it. As you can see here on the screen is a picture of the same puzzle I just solved, but it has a bunch of highlighted things, like I showed you previously, the symbols on the trunks, the eyes, here, here, and here, the dotted stones right here, here, here as well, and here. And some arrows that I did not see, and for some reason, which I also didn't catch, the birds, the snake, the squirrel, the spider, the raccoon. So let's see what the steps are to solve it. Number 1, it has highlighted the symbols on the trunks. Number 1 is the 3 symbols on each tree create a number together. Put the symbols on the top of each other. Anything come up twice cancels itself out. The left tree, right here, if you put the 6 on the 8, everything is canceled out except for the uppermost vertical line on the right. If you put the 3rd symbol on top of that, you have a 4. Do the same thing with the other 2 trees. So you can see the 3 different trees create 3 numbers. And the 3 numbers are, keep track of that, 4, 3, 6. For the second picture, we're going to focus on the arrows right here. The steps are, do we have something to write with? Yes. With a pen or pencil, draw a line in the direction indicated by the symbol, not on the puzzle. You don't say. Each arrow of the symbols will give you one number. With a pen or pencil, draw lines in the directions as indicated. The solution creates a number. And the number is 354. For step 3, it looks like we're going to focus on the eyes. You can see the 3 eyes and the rocks are highlighted, and also the eyes of the wolves, which play a role here. You will see soon. Number 1, look at the symbols on the rocks. What are they? The eyes. The number of lines on the symbol equals to the value for that color. For example, this one right here has 6. The yellow has 6. This other yellow has 2. This other one has 4, I believe. It's kind of hard to see in this picture. Number 3, all of the values are added up. So you add all the values. There are 3 yellow eyes. The wolves, the 5 wolves, 3 of the eyes are yellow. Times 6 is 18. There are 5 blue eyes. 5 of the wolf eyes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are blue. Times 2 is 10. And then the green eyes. There are 2 eyes and 4 lines. That's equals to 8. 18 plus 10 is 28. Plus 8 is 36. The number, the solution in this case, is 36. For number 4, as you can see, highlighted are the different animals. The owl, earlier I said bird for some reason. It's an owl. The spider, the snake, and the squirrel. The raccoon is not important yet. So the first step, what makes this animal different from one another? First thing I was thinking, reptiles, insects, birds, mammals. But something they used to move, So maybe it is their legs. The snake doesn't have any. Yeah, I think it's definitely the legs. The number of legs. The squirrel has 4. The snake doesn't have any. The spider has 8. And the owl has 2. So it's the number 4, 0, 8, 2. The solution, 4, 0, 8, 2. Cool. And now we move on to number 5. Now the raccoon come in play. The deer. And this little mouse over here. So you can see they all have something in common. They all have branches in their mouth for some reason. Let's see the solution. Step 1, raccoon, stag, and mouth. From little to big, so first the mouse, then the raccoon, and then the stag. The number of leaves in the mouth. The mouse has 1 leaf, the raccoon has a twig with 5 leaves, and the stag has 7 leaves. So 1, 5, 7, is that the number? 1, 5, 7. And last but not least is number 6. In this case, the rocks with the dots and crosses. As you can see, they're all highlighted in kind of different colors. This one is purple with purple, yellow with yellow, and green, green, and green. I wonder why that is. This one kind of fits with this one, right? Let's look at the solution. Number 1,
put the matching rocks together. So you can see the matching rocks already highlighted here. Number 2, final answer from left to right. So I imagine that this one is first, then yellow is second, then green is third. Calculate the numbers in the final answer. The 5 dot P's, and 4 dot P's fit together. They equal 9. That's why the plus here. You have to add 4 here plus 5. I imagine something similar we have to do with the yellow and the green. The 2 pieces with 2 dots fit together. That equals 0. The 3 dot piece plus piece and 3 dot piece fit together. That equals 6. So the number is 906.
And now that we solved the part 3, which was solve the riddles, it's time to piece together the puzzle. And once I read this, I kind of read this after I glued the puzzle together. I already regret it, and I spared you the time I spent trying to get these pieces that were glued together out. But I kind of broke the puzzle a little bit. That was a kind of a fail right there. But now that we have the numbers, we just have to use the corner pieces to identify what pieces we need to put together our escape. The numbers are 436, which is this piece right here, 354, which is this other piece, 157, which is this other piece, 36, which is this one, and 402, which is this other one. So you can see, at least these 2 pieces are completely broken. This is 402 and 36. I have 354 here, 157, and 436. Actually, I'm missing one. 906. And from the beginning, I already started thinking that these pieces kind of didn't match with everything else. And I think I discovered why they don't match. So let's get rid of this for now. And put the pieces here and try to put them together. Let's go. They form a moon, what appears to be a moon. Not exactly sure what that means. Is it that with the full moon, the walls become human again? I guess. That's kind of a downer. But anyways, that is the puzzle. Completely solved. The Curse of the Wolves. Thank you for watching.